Everyone in this world is busy thinking of wealth, honor, dharma, race, and wars. It is the poor youngster that still feel that the world revolves around love. Alright, are you wondering why I am talking about love? Let me explain. The hero in our movie is confused in Bangalore while his girlfriend is getting married here. Now, what he will do? Did he going to stop the marriage or thinking of marrying the same girl? Let's go. Do you also want to hear this love story? Let's watch.
Guys only introduce to you good things. Girls introduce you to hell.
Wow.
But we only realize it when they enter our lives. And to forget them.
Dude, don't feel bad.
Hey, did I tell you that I am feeling bad? Did I tell you that I am feeling bad?
Hey, you don't have to state what is obvious. Do you understand? I am your friend, bro.
Yes, you are my friend.
Yeah.
But your guess is wrong.
What?
Chill, bro. I am alright.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Miracle.
Once a girl enters your life, all you are left with are tears, brother.
When heart drink auntie, when beer drink beauty, all of is common, bro.
Your mother shows you love. Your father shows you
Correct.
the world. Friends show you what happiness. But you know, a girl takes you to hell, bro.
Oh, no. We all know what next. Don't tell.
That's right.
Yes.
From now on, there is no girls in my life.
No, Macha. From this moment, there is no girls in your life. Why, bro?
Not just mine, our lives. Repeat again.
In our life. You're drunk and making statement, and this girl had to call now. Must be careful. Hello, Priya.
Hello,
Who is it?
Nothing. Tell me, Priya.
what do? Did you eat?
This feel is so good. I'm just eating, baby.
Who is it? Priya? What's she telling?
She just want to know I ate or not.
Why does she need to know? First break up with her.
She's way out of my league, bro. Don't ruin it for me, please.
Hey, don't give me reasons. Tell her you want to break up.
Hello, Priya.
Are you doing it or not?
Hey, why are you calling me? Why does it matter I ate or not? Huh?
Why but you are talking like this?
Hey, if you call me one more time, baby, I will chop your hair. This love, that love, all
Hey,
love,
what
full
happened to you?
love,
Why you are talking like
breakup.
this, rubbish?
I don't like love.
You're drunken and talking
but
all
I
these
like
rubbish.
love
I don't want to
only
talk to
my
you only.
friend
Get
for
out
me.
from my life. Goodbye. Let's break up. Don't ever call me only. Bye.
Don't you worry.
She also gone. We're also finished.
If I have alcohol, I need nothing else. Come, let's go. Come, bro.
Something, bro.
Come. Come.
I lost the girl. Let me wear my shoe at least.
You
Let's
don't
go.
worry. Okay. No girls, okay?
For me
Only
also, man.
alcohol. Hey,
I drunk,
hey,
bro.
dude, we should not be driving drunk. It's illegal, okay?
You are so drunk, man. Where is the door? There is the door. You drive, bro. I'm fully drunk.
Dude, put some music.
Hey, press the button there. Help yourself, man. Not the one on my shirt. The play button. I'm drunk, man. हम नहीं दोस्ती छोड़ेंगे हम समा दोस्ती हम Hey, who is texting now? Disturbance. Throw it out.
Bro, after all these days of being quiet, she has the audacity to invite me to her wedding?
Don't we have any shame or self-respect?
Of course we have. You on the music.
Oh, it says you must attend the wedding for sure. She thinks we will go if she texts repeatedly.
Exactly.
I know.
But then if she is still texting me, don't you think she is in still love with me?
No, it should not change.
It's not it girls who brighten our gloomy lives, okay?
Oh, you changed. It's correct, bro. That biryani smell and the woman touch, unforgettable, bro. Hey, have you changed the route already? Okay, go. That's what I want. Next we should go for our love. Some drunken coming towards, bro.
Hey, look at him.
There is no one, man. But I see him somewhere. Where is he? Something fishy. You take the car. Drive. Hey,
Who are you,
you,
bro?
man?
Questioning at home, questioning outside, questioning at the bar, questioning everywhere. Questions. Please don't question me, yaar. That's okay. Then where are we going?
Just now you said don't ask questions.
I told you not to questioning me. I didn't say I won't ask you.
He's very clever.
Look here. There is a beer bottle in the dashboard. Give it to me. Give it to me, ma.
He's the dog. He's smelling the beer bottle.
Beautiful. Be there for some time. Now you tell me, bro. Where are we going?
To his wedding.
Wedding? But he is not dressed like a groom.
Yes, you are right. Ting!
How is it?
you are the groom, alright. But what about you?
Actually, my lover is also there.
Oh, really? Ting! Oh. Look at this. Brother, now you tell me, is it love marriage or arranged marriage?
Stop. That is fine. Why are you dressing like this? Huh?
Hey, if a poor sibling like you can get a girl. Why wouldn't a smart guy like me find someone?
Who is that smart?
That is love story.
Love story. Oh, super. Brother, please tell me your love story. In your love story, I will pick the best character suit for me and give it my best shot.
In
Huh?
1990s. There.
This is me. Look at me.
How is school, my boy?
Ugly as you.
Yeah, I see. Is it?
Yes.
Why?
No pretty girls in the class.
Huh? And in this age onwards, you want girlfriend?
Yes. You wouldn't understand my feelings.
Hi.
You are at my age. We won't make a pair.
You're just like your father.
That's why I am hitting on your daughter.
Don't you dare looking at my daughter.
Auntie,
Auntie.
see how I will impress your daughter. Look at me, how I am going to impress her.
Stop. Oh my god. Brother, don't tell flashback from milk drinking age. Please tell it from the beer drinking age.
Hey, he looks like silent,
Oh.
but his flashback is violent.
Is it? Brother, what next?
Huh? Is this what your father watches every day? If it is this good, even your father might watch it.
What are you doing in a closed room?
Hey, go and open the door. I will off the TV.
Oh,
I am escaped.
what is these guys doing in the room? Hey, stop.
I am also escaped.
Huh? Oh, Oh my god! Rama.
Hey, that is not Rama. Kama.
Brother, we don't want U certificate. We don't want a A certificate either. We want a U by A certificate, brother.
Yeah, that's right.